Hi, my name is Rudy, your website buddy, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can take your business online under $20 today. Yes, that's right. Today, you will have a custom website that's going to be responsive on mobile. It's going to be responsive on desktop. Anybody can see it. You can do it everything yourself in just one day. You don't need to know how to code at all. Okay, super simple way. This is honestly the cheapest way that I know how you can get your business online. Cheapest and fastest. So that's a very good combo. So let me show you guys how to do that. Okay, so the first thing you do is key in sites.google.com and you paste it up here. Okay, this is a browser. Just use any browser. It doesn't matter what browser you use. Okay, just go to sites.google.com. Okay, copy that, paste it in the browser. Okay, now you're going to sign in to your Google account. So after you sign into your Google account, you should get something like this. Now from here, you can start a blank site. So let me just show you. For example, if you click on this blank site right here, just because we clicked on a blank site, so they gave us a blank site. And you can see here on the right hand side, all this insert pages, themes. This is how you design your website, but we don't need to get into that right now. We will get into that very soon, but let's go step by step. So the first thing we're going to do is head on over to this top left corner here, and we're just going to name our document. So let's just say, for example, we are building a website for a guy called Bob's Renovation. And so you can see here, you can enter the site title. So here, again, you would just put Bob's Renovation, right? Or but here you can really put anything. You can put like in business for 30 years. You can put whatever you want up here. But really, you just want to put the site title. So you would just call it Bob's Renovation normally. And then, okay, now that that's done, when I click publish right now, if I click publish, this whole site goes online. And that's it. We're only 2 minutes into this video and your website is already going to be online. How exciting is that? Very exciting. So let's move on to the next step and let's just click publish. Once you click this, okay, that's it. This is your web address. Right now, if anyone goes to this link, they can open this website. So now to get to the link to your newly designed website, here you go. This is the link. Copy this, just paste it in here. There you go. This is your website. Totally online now. And it hasn't even been 1 minute. We are already online, you guys. Okay, how exciting is that? Very exciting. Okay, so next step, I'm gonna go to image here and just upload. So I upload image. There you go. And here I can say best renovations in Texas. Okay, now I click publish again. Click on this link right here. I copy this link over here. I open the new tab here, and I am now going to paste that link here. Press enter, and there you go. You can see that my website is now completely online. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on this content blocks right here. So I go back to the page and I click on this content block. As you can see, I can just drag and drop it. Very cool. And I'm gonna insert more images. So let's say I put in this one, put in this one, put in this one. Right, we can see here, we can do large scale commercial buildings. Here we can do personal property. Here we can do office style buildings. So the next thing we want to do is head on over to ChatGPT. So the next thing you really want to do is head on over to ChatGPT, and of course ChatGPT is going to help you write. All you have to do is tell AI to say, give me 3 blurbs for a renovation company for large commercial building personal property and business offices, right? So ChatGPT is going to clean that all up for you. It's going to be absolutely written in good English. It's going to be, very well written. And all you have to do after that is just paste that onto your website. Paste it here, right? And there you go. And now you have this section here that looks very good. So next step, maybe introduce yourself, right? So who are you? Why am I buying from you, right? So my name, I don't know, Amy Tornado. Okay, for example, that's your name. And then you're gonna introduce yourself. Okay, my name is Amy Tornado. I have 20 years of renovation experience, and you can see my portfolio here and my qualifications here, like that. Okay, and so give me a very good introduction about myself, include all my certification, professional one from Texas. After that, ChatGPT is pretty much going to be able to write a professional introduction for you. Now, this is your accomplishment. Yes. Okay. Now, it's important to note that these are actually all your accomplishments. Just because an AI wrote that, okay, doesn't take anything away from it because you earned it. So here we go. Hi, I'm Amy Tornado, over 20 years experience. Now, even though this looks like a very simple website, but because it's you're in their area, they kind of want somebody from their area. This is honestly good enough. And now the most important part, the next thing you want to do is put in your phone number. So just put in phone number. So you're going to press insert link and you're going to put TEL in front of it. TEL. And if you're in America, it's +1. So for example, +1 555 555 555. So this is just an example, but as you can see, it gives me a clickable phone number. You can also leave your WhatsApp. And if you want to leave your WhatsApp, all you got to do is HTTPS, as you can see, use this link in the front and then put your phone number, apply. So that now every time they click on this link here, it's gonna go straight to your WhatsApp. Now this doesn't look pretty or anything, but if I'm serious about wanting a renovation or something like that, and you have already impressed me in the beginning, okay, up here in this section, you're gonna show your work, so your previous work. So it's the same, just add images, right, of your work. And when I click on refresh on the new website, here you go. These are my numbers. When you press on the number, it's going to call. And this is going to open to WhatsApp. You see, right now it opens straight into your WhatsApp app. So that is how people can now contact you directly. Another thing that you can do is add a Google form to your site. That way you can start collecting emails and inquiries with even more details if you don't want people to text you. But I think that texting is really one of the absolute best way. So if you want to create a form, head on over to docs.google.com/form, build the form that you want, okay? And all you have to do is head on over here, back to your website, back to sites.google.com, your website. You're going to click on form here. You can see form, drag that form onto the website. As you can see here, click on forms. We have a form here. And as you can see, after you click on forms, you have some forms that you already made. Just click on this one, drag it, and insert it. And there you go. Now you have your form. I'm gonna move the form to below the phone number, and I'm gonna make the form a bit longer so that people don't have to scroll. I'll show you the difference. If you leave the form like this, which is short, and if you leave it that way and you publish, and now let's go back here. Let's look at the form real quick. So what I want you to notice is that, see, in this form area here, it's not very comfortable because I actually have to scroll. Now, I don't want to scroll, right? I want to be able to just fill out my form if I want to, because as you can see on mobile, yeah, it's just not very comfortable. So what we want to do is just stretch this out. Stretch this here all the way down to show the entire form, right here. Okay, and so now you can see that the entire form is exposed and we don't have to scroll anymore. So let's publish this and let's go back to the site and let's have a look again. As you can see, after one refresh, we still are unable to see the changes. To refresh. And now here we are. Now we can see, right? So this is the full website, your services, your introduction, your contact information, and your form without having to scroll. So you can pretty this up way better, play around with it. But this right here is the basics of getting your website online. This here is already online. You can start showing it to people. You can connect it to a custom domain, which is very easy. If you want to add a Google Maps location, just click on Maps right here. And once you click on that, you can see the whole location opens up. So we are in Texas. So let's just say Texas City, and you're going to choose wherever it is that your location is, wherever that your business is. You're going to just put that pin right. You're going to put that pin right onto where your business is and just click select, and there you go. Now absolutely perfect. You can see where your location is on your website. Let's go on and click publish. So once we click publish and we go back to the website, we refresh a couple of times, and here you go, the location of your business online for the entire world to find. How crazy is that? Here, if let's say you wanted to put maybe your YouTube channel. So, and another cool thing you could do is click on this YouTube link here and paste the URL of your video. Innovation time lapse. This is somebody else's video. Just to be clear, this is just an example on how you would get your video onto your website. So that is all you would need to do, is go into YouTube and enter your link. So then here you go. You can see right now your video is on your website, and if we click publish once again, another neat thing that you could do is create another page. So perhaps you want another page just to display your work. So here you would click on pages here and then click on plus. So just new page, and let's just call it our projects, right? Done. And here you go. As you can see, it has now created another page just for you. And in this page, you can insert, let's say, YouTube. You can insert your YouTube video. You could insert your YouTube video of the work that you've done. You can insert it here. As you can see, for example, if you posted a project where you did a house renovation, right? So let's publish that. So once we publish that, and let's go back to the website, and I refresh again. And now you can see, on my website, and now you can see when I click on refresh, on our website, we now have a menu called Our Projects. And when I click on Our Projects, it's going to send you straight to this page right here where you are demonstrating your projects. Now this, you can create pages for anything, privacy policies, terms and conditions, and you can create as many of them as you want. So And so that is it. Now you have a completely fully functioning site that has your contact details, has a form, and even has another page to display your other work or more information. So, and if you head on over to Site Builder Report, you can see some absolutely stunning sites made with Google Sites. Truly, there is unlimited potential simply with Google Sites to, get your business up very fast. So as you can see, Google Sites is more than enough to build your very own business website and get yourself online in just one day. And most importantly, guys, this only costs you $20 a year to run and maintain. So I hope this has been useful to you. Good luck and have fun.